So let's go to question number 20. Correct the perimeter of the figure given below to one decimal place. So after point, it can be round off one decimal place. Option A 56.0 meters, option B 56.6 meters, option C 57.7 meters, option D 57.9 meters. So this is the screen already given the figure. So in that figure, what I am asking, perimeter. So here length given, but in each corner, so what I am given, sector given. So this is what I am given the shape of the figure, a rectangle. In that rectangle, each corner angle equal to 90 degree. So 90, 90, 90, 90. Total will become a 360. Nothing but each corner, if it is added each sector, it will become a circle. Am I clear? So here length of the rectangle 20 meters given, length of the breadth 10 meters given. So two lengths, two breadths. Two lengths opposite lengths are equal, two breadths also equal, but each sector radius how much given? 2 meters, just like that. Am I clear? So question what I am asking, perimeter of the figure. Perimeter of the figure equals to, so total perimeter, what I am asking, perimeter equals to, so what is the perimeter formula? So clearly we need to understand, total will become a 20. So here total will become a 20. So from clearly we need to understand in that case, so in that rectangle, this is a length, total length, this is a length. So in that length, 2 radius are subtract from 20. What is the remaining? So this is 2 plus 2, total 4 radii. Here 2 radius are 2 plus 2, nothing but 4 centimeters. Subtract from 20, it will become a remaining part will become a 16 meters, just like this, 16. Here also breadth, according to breadth, total will become a 10. Total breadth, what I am given 10 meters. What is the remaining? So 2, here also 2, okay na? So 2 radius. 2 radius are subtract from them, nothing but 4 subtract from them, 6 meters. That is the remaining part. Am I clear? So this is 6, opposite also 6. So this is a 16, opposite also 16 meters. This is a given adjustment. So question what I am asking, total perimeter. Perimeter equals to formula, sum of the all outside, sum of the round up. Clearly we need to understand, perimeter means 2 plus 16 plus 2 plus 16 plus 2 plus 16. But here I am not asking to remaining this curve. Okay, it is a length of the arc. So formula, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So question clearly we need to understand, I am not asking total perimeter of the rectangle. What I am asking, that curve also, perimeter means that just like that. So perimeter of the given figure, just like that. So this is a given figure. Am I clear? So how will get that curve? So how will get that arc values? So this is arc. It is also arc. It is also arc. It is also arc. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that. So perimeter means let me take in. So 16 plus 16, 66 plus 6. And so clearly we need to understand 2 16s. 2 16s plus 2 6. Also including in perimeter plus. So this is a 4 sector. Length of the 4 sectors. Length of 4 sectors. So if it is added 4 sector, it will make a circle. So because clearly we need to understand, in the rectangle, each corner has 90 degree. 90 degree. Am I clear? 90 degree. Am I clear? So 90, 90, 90. Total will become 360. Length of the 4 sector means perimeter of the circle. So you can add it that 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 6 plus 6, 38, 38 plus 6, 44 plus. So length of the 4 sectors. That means it is a perimeter of circle. Perimeter means circumference of circle, 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Am I clear? So length of the 4 sectors, if it is added, 4 sector means 4 90s, 90 into 4, 90 degree into 4 will become a 360 degree. That means it is make a circle shape. So circle, the length nothing but here perimeter of circle equals to 2 pi r. So it is as one circle, okay na? So what is the circle perimeter? Nothing but circumference of circle, 2 pi r. So clearly it can be written 44 plus 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 2 centimeters given. Or you can directly take pi value 3.14 directly 3.14 into r value. R stands for radius of the sector, nothing but 2 centimeters. Am I clear? So if it is added 4 sector, this is called radius. Radius means what? This is 4 sector. Radius already mentioned 2 centimeters. 2 meters, sorry, 2 meters. It is also 2 meters. 2 meters and 2 meters. Am I clear? Just like that. So 2 meters. 4 sectors, each radius 2 meters. Here, if it is added 4 sector, it's make a circle, but circle radius also 2 meters. So what is the final answer? 44 plus, this is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3.14 value, 12.56. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3.14, 12.56. What is the value? So total 56.56. So question what I am asking, round off one place after decimal, nothing but it can be written 56.6 is the required answer. 56.6 meters. Option B is right answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 21. A hollow spherical ball whose inner radius is 4 centimeters is full of water. So inner radius dimension given 4 centimeters is full of water. It contains full of water. Half of the water is poured into a conical cup and cup is completely filled. So cup completely filled. The height of the cup is 2 centimeters. Then the radius of the base of cone is in centimeters is asking. Option A 4, option B 8 pi, option C 8, option D 16. So clearly we need to understand. So in that question what I mentioned initially, hollow sphere ball whose inner radius given 4 centimeters full of water. Half of the water is poured into the conical cup means what? Only remaining half is left. So that means but conical cup completely filled. So that means volume of cone equals to cone completely filled. The cup completely filled. Conical cup completely filled means volume of the cone equals to volume of half of the volume of half is poured into a half of the water from taken from spherical ball, nothing but only half of the volume of sphere is left. Clearly we need to understand, half water taken from the sphere into poured into conical cup. Cup completely filled means volume of cone equals to half of the volume of sphere is left. Am I clear? So clearly we need to understand in that question. So based on that cone height given, what is the height? Height equals to 2 centimeters. But question what I am asking, radius of the base of the cone, nothing but radius is asking. So in that case, inner radius of the sphere given, what is the radius? 4 centimeters. This is a given question. Here R stands for radius of the sphere. So what is the formulas? So clearly we need to understand, volume of the cone equals to 1/3 pi R square H equals to half of volume of the sphere 4/3 pi R cube. Here R 4 cube. So R cube. So here R stands for first R, nothing but radius of the cone. That will be asking at final. But here R stands for radius of the sphere. 4 centimeters given. So firstly, so it can be written as 1/3 pi into, so RC value we don't know, that will be asking at final, R value, but height given 2 centimeters. So height of the cone how much given? 2 centimeters equals to 4/3. So right side half into 4/3, half into 4/3 pi R cube. R value here how much given? Radius of the sphere 4 centimeters given. 4 cube. Am I clear? So according to cancellation, pi cancel, denominator 3 cancel. So here which one is left? So 2 1s are 2 2s also. Which one is left? Again 2 also cancel. So what you are getting at final? RC square equals to 4 cube, nothing but 64. Therefore RC equals to nothing but radius of the cone equals to root 64. That means 8. Root 64 value 8. So radius of the cone equal to 8 centimeters. That is the required answer. Am I clear? So which option is right answer? Option C is right answer. Let's go to question number 22. The largest volume of cube that can be enclosed in a sphere of diameter 2 centimeter is. So question what I am asking, volume of the cube that can be enclosed in a sphere. So option A 1 centimeter cube, option B 2 root centimeter cube, option C pi, option D 8/3 root 3. So clearly we need to notice that in that question what I am given, the largest volume of cube that can be enclosed in a sphere, that means diagonal of cube equals to diameter of sphere. So diagonal of cube equals to diameter of sphere. So question what I am asking, largest volume of the cube asking. First diagonal of cube equals to root 3 into a. Here a stands for, small a stands for side of a cube, equals to diameter of sphere. So diameter of sphere already given 2 centimeters. That means therefore a equals to 2 by root 3. But question what I am asking, volume of the cube. Volume of cube equals to a cube. So what is a value? A value already got 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole cube. So 2 cube value 8 whole by. So root 3 whole cube value 3 root 3. So root 3 whole cube. Root 3 whole cube, it can be written root 3 whole square into root 3. Square root cancel, that means 3 root 3 is the required value. Am I clear? So 8 by 3 root 3, option D is right answer. Let's go to question number 23. Each side of a cube is increased by 50 centimeters. Then the surface area of the cube increased by. So option A 50 centimeters, option B 100 centimeters, option C 125 centimeters, option D 150 centimeters. Each side of a cube how much increase? 50%. If it is side increased, automatically surface area also increased. So how much percentage? That is a given question. So let me take in first each side, what I am taking, each side of a cube A increased by how much? 50% means total will become 150%. So 150% means initially 100%. Initially 100%, it will become increased by 50%. That means 150 by 100. But question what I am asking, then its surface area how much increase? Surface area, that means total surface area equals to, total surface area of cube equal to 6a square. But here 6 is a constant. If it is asking percentage changes means constant values are eliminate them first. So how much changing in side, that is a required answer. So it can be written as, so a square nothing but 150 by 100 into 150 by 100. A square means it can be written twice. So in denominator what I am taken, original 100, but here also 100 fix. 100 fix, remaining 100 cancel, 0 0 0 0 cancel. What you are getting? So 15 square nothing but 225 by 100. This is shortcut idea. So in total surface area, total 100 will become 225. So how much increases? 125% increases. This is a required answer. So option C is right answer. So if it is asking percentage changes, that means constant values are eliminate them. So here a value nothing but side of a cube how much increases? 50% increase, nothing but 150 by 100. So denominator is the original, it will become 150. So next question what I am asking, changing percentage, nothing but increasing percentage in its surface area, nothing but total surface area. 6a square, 6 eliminate them first, because so already told you if asking percentage changes in area or volume, so constant values are eliminate them. So a square nothing but 150 by 100, 150 100. So in denominator 100 fix, 15 into 15 left, 225 left. So out of 100 it will become 225. So how much increase? Nothing but the difference is required answer, 125%. Option C is right answer. Let's go to question number 24. The number of surfaces in a right circular cylinder is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. So clearly we need to understand what I am asking, number of surfaces. So first one you can draw the cylinder, circular cylinders. That means this is a cylinder. So cylinder contains number of surfaces, nothing but clearly we need to understand. This is a bottom surface. So bottom surface, this is one. Am I clear? Bottom surface nothing but area of circle. Area of circle. This is one, and upper surface, area of circle. So lower part, upper part, and lateral surface 3. Total 3. Option C is right answer. So clearly bottom area nothing but area of the bottom circle, area of the upper circle, so same shape, and area of the lateral surface area. So the number of surface in right circular cylinder has 3 surfaces. Let's go to question number 25. The edge of a cube is 20 centimeters given. How many small small cubes of 5 centimeters edge can be formed from this cube? Option A 4, option B 32, option C 64, option D 100. So clearly we need to understand. So here edge of cube 20 centimeters given. So A value how much given? Edge means side. So 20 centimeters. So how many smaller cubes of 5 centimeters edges can be formed from this cube? So clearly we need to understand. So volume of the bigger cube equals to volume of the smaller cubes. So clearly we need to identify that. How many smaller cubes can be formed from this bigger cube? That is the question. Clearly we need to understand number of smaller cubes. Number of smaller cubes equals to, so volume of the bigger cube, so volume of the bigger cube by volume of the smaller cubes. Am I clear? Each smaller cubes, that means each smaller cubes, volume of these each smaller cubes. So this is a question. Am I clear? So firstly, so volume of bigger cube, nothing but this is a side of a bigger cube 20. So it can be written what is the volume of the cube formula? A cube. This is a formula. Volume of the cube equals to A cube. That means 20 into 20 into 20. So that is a bigger cube side 20 given, 20 into 20 20 whole by. So volume of each smaller cubes already given 5 centimeters edge, nothing but that is a side of each smaller cube 5 into 5 into 5. Am I clear? So here A is a bigger cube side, 5 is a smaller cube side. So clearly we need to understand. So 20 centimeters is a edge, nothing but a side of a bigger cube. So here 5 centimeters is a side of a smaller cube. SC. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 5 ones are 5 fours are 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 into 4 into 4, total 64. So option C is right answer. Am I clear? So this is a final exercise of surface area and volume of 3D mensuration. Am I clear? In my next class, I will start the new topic. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day.